I'm fascinated by techniques, but I don't feel bound by them. My practice is technique-based, but not technique-bound. I'm interested in the material, I'm interested in the processes, I'm curious about just about everything, but I don't feel beholden to the past. My name is Aspen Golann. I'm a furniture maker. I was classically trained in 17th to 19th century woodworking, mostly hand tools. I specialize in chairs and sculptural objects. What you'll learn in this class are a variety of hand tool techniques, including use of the chisel, spoke shave, rasp, file, card scraper, and effective use of sandpaper. We're also going to cover the 5-7 rule, which is an ancient technique for creating curves in wood. We're going to make a bent lamination form using origin and then hand taper each of those laminations to create a sinuous, complex curve. I trained at the North Bennet St School, and it's this super intensive, skills-based education. There's almost no design involved, and it's really just learning how for 2 years solid. I think that I wanted to become not so much a woodworker, but someone who was fluent with my hands. So I wanted the capacity to translate ideas that I had into things that really faithfully recreated the initial intent. The goal is always to come up with some form that I like, and oftentimes part of the way through I realize that I've hit something more beautiful than what I was intending to hit, and I think that it's important to honor that when you see something that's worth keeping.